Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Getting your free Starbucks birthday drink through the app is super easy, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. Step 1. First, you need to download the official Starbucks app if you don't already have it. Head to your phone's app store, search for Starbucks, and tap Download. Once it's installed, open the app and create an account or sign in if you already have one. Make sure you use the email address associated with your Starbucks Rewards account. Step 2. Next, you'll want to join the Starbucks Rewards program. Look for the Rewards tab in the app menu, usually at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it and click Join Rewards if you haven't already. You'll need to add your birthday to your account profile, so go to your account settings and update your personal information with your birth month and day. Step 3. Once your birthday is registered, you're basically done setting up. The app will automatically recognize when your birthday month arrives and credit your account with a special birthday reward. You'll see a notification pop up around your birthday, so keep an eye on your notifications. Step 4. When you see the birthday reward notification, open the app and locate the offer. It'll appear in your available rewards section with a cake icon or birthday theme. This free drink is typically valid for 7 days, so use it within that window. Step 5. Finally, to redeem your drink, simply order through the app by selecting your birthday reward and choosing your drink customization. Then head to your nearest Starbucks, show your phone with the order ready, and tell the barista you're using your birthday reward to complete the purchase.